Hi guys, it's Sofie. Welcome back to our channel. I'm super excited today to be bringing you guys another close-up eye look, and we are definitely planning on posting a lot more for you guys, so keep a lookout on our channel for daily videos because we're going to try to drop them every day, if not every other day. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this copper glitter look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So the first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids, and I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light, and this is my favorite thing to use to prime my eyelids, and I'm just going to be buffing it out with a damp beauty sponge and setting it with some translucent powder. For my brow bone highlight, I'm going in with my Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13. Next, I'm picking up my Morphe 35V palette, and I'm going in with this really soft and subtle transition color, and I'm just going to be applying this into my crease, and I've absolutely been loving this palette and the variety of colors in it. So I'm going to be mostly using this palette, and I'm also going to be going into my Morphe Jaclyn Hill Favorites palette for a few shades. But next, I just picked up this red brown shade from the same Morphe 35V. And I'm just starting to apply this into my crease and just laying it down just to start slowly adding some depth in the crease. And I'm definitely going to build up the depth for this look. So I'm just laying this one down first. And then I'm grabbing a slightly fluffier brush. This one is slightly tapered so that it just helps me keep the control in that general area. And I'm going in with more of that red eyeshadow. And I'm just going in left and right motions and just going directly over that line to help me blend it out. Next, I went into my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I went into the dark brown shade in the palette. And all the details of the names of the shadows will be listed in the description box down below. But I'm just pretty much going in with an even more defined angled brush. And I'm just drawing that line directly over top of where we first laid it down. And it's just going to be slowly adding depth to this look. And then I just picked up a pencil brush and some more of that red eyeshadow, and I'm just going in left and right motions and just trying to diffuse that brown line and just kind of give it more of a gradient effect. Next, I picked up my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light once again with my angled brush, and I'm just starting to carve my eyelid and setting it evenly over my lid for a nice even base. And then I went back into my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I picked up the shade called Firework, and I'm just applying that all over my lid. And I wanted to make this look super coppery, so I thought that that was the perfect shade to use for this look. So next, I just picked up my Eye Candy Cosmetics glitter in the color Taffy, and first I used this brush and applied glitter glue to the crease, and then I went in with the glitter and applied the glitter directly over top of where I applied the glitter glue. And the glitter glue that I used was the Too Faced Glitter Insurance glitter glue, which is my favorite. So I pretty much just applied that glitter in the crease and also to the center of my lid. And then for the outer corner, I'm just starting to build depth how I did in the crease. So first I just went into the dark red brown shade, and then I went in with a small pencil brush and I went in with the darkest brown shade and just kind of added a little bit more dimension to the outer corner. For lashes, I'm applying my Shop Sofie Bella Bora lashes, and this is a newer style that I added to the site, so the link to check these lashes out will be in the description box down below. And then for my waterline, I'm using this pencil by Urban Decay called Chaos, and it's just a really pretty cobalt blue color. And then I'm just applying the same shades that I applied in the crease, so I'm just first going in with my transition color, and then I'm going in with the red brown shade, and then going in with the darkest brown shade, and then blending the two together. And I just thought that it would be a nice change to put blue in the waterline, and I think that it really complemented this look. So I'm just applying my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on my lower lashes, And then I'm just applying my Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13 to my inner tear duct and also a little bit more on my brow bone. And then for my brows, I ran my spoolie through some bar soap and I just ran it through my brow. And this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. Definitely a different type of look. We have so many looks coming your way, so stay tuned for that. And if you guys want to be entered for our monthly giveaway, we select a subscriber every single month. All you have to do to enter our monthly giveaway is turn your post notifications on, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and then comment done in the comment section down below. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!